Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about the belt drives. This is one of the power transmission system. Here the power developed by any of the prime mover, that is rotary power, should be transmitted to the other device through some drives to run the machines. For that, any of the transmission system we have to use. The one is the gear drive, belt drive, chain drive, like that drives are there. Okay, here the belt drive I am going to explain. Belt drive can be used for transmission of mechanical power between two rotating shafts. Belt drives are often cheaper than the gears and useful for power transmission between the shafts that are widely separated or non-parallel. Here the center distance is large. Then we are going to use the belt drive instead of that gear drive. We cannot use the gear drive if the center distance is more. Then we are going to use the belt drive for the power transmission. It consists of two pulleys. One is a driver pulley, another one is a driven pulley, and the belt is wrapped over it. When the driver pulley rotates, then the belt over that one which is wrapped, that also rotates. Therefore, whatever the other pulley is there, that also drives or rotates. That is a driven pulley. Thereby, the power transmission is taking place. Okay, that we can see here also. Then continuation with this, there are two types of belt drives. In this one is the open belt drive. There is an open belt drive. Here the belt is open, that is continuously wrapped over the two pulleys. And here also the top view we can see like this. When the requirement is that the two pulleys are to be rotated in the same direction, then we are going to use the open belt drive. And it is simple in construction, and that gives the some of the benefits that we can see here. This type of belt drive is employed when the two parallel shafts have to rotate in the same direction. The lower side of the belt is tight side. The lower side we can say it is a tight side, as this is dragging this one, the belt, therefore this becomes a tighter side, and the upper side becomes a slack side. This is pushing that one. Okay, here it is a pulling from the lower end, that becomes a tight, and upper it is pushing due to the rotation of this whatever pulley is there, then the belt also rotates, therefore this becomes a somewhat slack side. And here when the upper side becomes a slack side, this becomes a slack side, it will sag due to its vane weight. This will be bulk here, sag due to its vane weight, and thus increases the arc of contact, which in turn increases the capacity of the drive. Here the arc of contact is the main reason for the drive, because there is a friction between the pulley and the belt, that is a potential for its rotation. Therefore, the arc of contact, there is a contact surface is more, then the efficiency of the drive will be more. Okay, that will happen in this one open belt drive. The other one is cross belt pulley drive, that one. Here the belt are crossed. The main intention of this drive is that if the two pulleys are to be rotated in the opposite direction, then we are going to use this one. This driver pulley is rotating in the clockwise direction, and this is driven pulley is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if that is the requirement, we can use this cross belt drive. This type of belt drive is employed when the two parallel shafts have to rotate in opposite direction. At the junction where the belt crosses, at this point it rubs against itself and wears off. The wearing of the belt is more in this type of the drive. To avoid excessive wear, the shaft must be placed at a maximum distance. The more distance is used in this one. Each other and operated at very low speeds. Low speed also used in order to avoid that wear and tear of the belt. Then next here the what are the type of belts? The two types of belt drives we have discussed. What are the types of belts? We should know that one. There are mainly two types of belts. One is flat belt drive. Flat belt. These flat belts are designed for light duty, for power transmission and high performance conveying. This belt is a flat. This belt is flat. We can see here the belt, whatever wrapped over the pulley, it is a flat surface. And that is used for the light duty and the higher power performance conveying. They are best suited for applications with smaller pulleys and large central distance. Okay, smaller pulley and the large central distance, for that this is suitable. Flat belts can connect inside and outside the pulleys. That means here only we can connect. Here inside means there some slot may be provided and we can place there also. And come in both endless and jointed construction. The belt may be endless or some joint may be provided with some cut, that one. Jointed also available, and we can use the endless belt also. The material used for the belt are balta, rubber, canvas and leather. Here the belt drive for this belts material, whatever we can use, that may be a balta or rubber, canvas, leather, whatever may be it available material that we can use. The other type belt is the V belt. V belt means here it is of V shape. V shape. Actually it is not complete V, but it is a trapezoidal in cross section. This is a trapezoidal in cross section. And here these are molded as endless loop from the rubber reinforced with a fibrous material. Here it is made up of a rubber and reinforced with that fibrous material in order to strengthen it. That is used that, and base whatever rubber is there, and this fabric tension card it will be there. Outer rubber fabric also it is used for the belt. Okay, and this is whatever is there, that will, these belts are run in the V grooved pulley or a sieves. This we can see that one pulley or a whatever the groove is there. Okay, that sieve is there. In that V groove should be there. In that it will be placed so that the whatever the contact surface is there, that will be more. Therefore, more friction it will be there, and the slip will be reduced, and also the more power transmission we can have, even though smaller center distance. Multiple V belts are used when the power transmitted is too great for a single blade. For a single blade also we can use this one, or multiple blades on the same shaft we can, multiple grooves are provided. Okay, here the single groove is there, side by side the multiple grooves are to be provided in order to transmit the more power. And here the power from 0.5 to 150 kilowatt can be transmitted using V belts. The more power we can transmit by using the multiple blades. Okay, that range is given here. It is used for general engineering applications. General engineering applications, most of the machines, the machine tools are there. There the V belts are used. And for domestic applications and heavy duty rolling machines, for this domestic applications also we can use, and also the heavy duty rolling machines also we are going to use. Most of the machine tools where we can use the V belt drives. There the center distance, distance if it is lesser compared to the flat belt drive, we can use this one. And the more power also we can transmit by using the number of belts whatever are there, we can increase that one. Like this, the different types of two belts we can use, and the two types of the belt drives we can use. With this I am going to complete, and thank you for watching.